How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing whistling practice. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the whistling that I will be doing today is without fingers. So with that being said, we'll whistle for 10 seconds. We'll take a break, then we'll do that 5 times. End the video. So let's get started, 10 seconds. Woo! I can whistle pretty loud without fingers, and with fingers I can whistle way louder. But yeah, with fingers you can whistle louder than without fingers, in my opinion. So yeah, we'll just take a little bit of a break and then we'll do it again. And again, this is just super chill video. It's just learning how to whistle for a lot of people that don't know how. Again, the main points that I would recommend to help you increase whistling are suction around your lips. So this. Make sure your lips look like that and not like this. Tongue position. Your tongue wants to be in this position. So again, look at my tongue. It's tucked underneath the bridge of my bottom of my mouth. So again, look where my tongue is. Just like that, super easy. If you guys aren't whistling now, you will eventually get it. Trust me. I didn't know how to whistle either for a very long time. I learned how just from practice. And now I would say I'm pretty damn good at it. So we'll do it again. It's funny, when I was whistling, the cop siren was on and it sounded like somebody was whistling back at me. It's pretty funny. I am feeling pretty tired from making videos, I'm not gonna lie. This is my 25th video of the day. I made 25 basically all day, just videos. Do another 10 seconds. Killing it, you guys. I am killing it today. So we will do another 10 seconds in a bit and then we will be done. So we'll do another 10 seconds. Just like that. Easy, easy peasy, my friend. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah. I was going to discuss something, but I'll discuss it in a later video just because we don't have that much time left. But yeah, really good for videos today. Very productive day, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm super duper tired. These workouts definitely take a toll on you. It's not bad making 18 videos a day. I mean, even that's quite a bit, but during the week I only make 9. That is pretty easy to do, but doing 25 right now, it's getting up there. That's pretty tough in my opinion. So we will do another 10 seconds, then we are done. Okay, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks again.